I also had teenage pimple, but I got rid of it very quickly with this method. This mask is one of the best natural masks for removing hormonal pimples in adolescence and youth. A spoonful of aloe vera. Half a teaspoon of honey. A teaspoon of milk. Add a tablespoon of sugar, then mix with a fork until ready. When the mask becomes jelly, it is ready to use. This mask is very easy to use, but it has some very important points. You can also apply the mask on the face using cotton. When you want to apply on your pimples like me, you can apply gentle strokes. Take care of your eyes when using a mask for under the eyes. You can express any question or point in the comments. I read and respond to all comments. Great, now wait for 15 minutes and then wash your face with water. Let's go see the result. My skin became very soft after using this mask and I really enjoy touching my skin. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Please don't forget to like it. We are human with any race.